Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase lockpicking in Fallout 76. First, grasp the core mechanics of lockpicking, which involves rotating a bobby pin and a screwdriver. You'll encounter various lock difficulties, from novice to master, each requiring more skill. Always ensure you have enough bobby pins, as they are essential tools for every attempt. Mastering their use is key to successful lockpicking. To truly excel, focus on your perception special stat, as it's crucial for unlocking lockpicking perks. The foundational perk is Picklock, allowing you to tackle novice and advanced locks. As you progress, upgrade to Expert Picklock for expert locks, and finally Master Picklock to open even the most challenging master-level containers. These perks are vital for accessing valuable loot. If you're finding these tips helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. And on another note, for all your lore reading or guide checking needs while exploring the wasteland, why not try the new Kindle Paperwhite? It's perfect for reading anywhere. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Consistent practice is key to becoming a master lockpicker. Start with easier locks to get a feel for the mechanics and save your precious bobby pins. Seek out locations known for having numerous locked containers, providing ample opportunities to hone your skills. Focus on finding the sweet spot where the lock turns freely, preventing your bobby pins from snapping. This saves resources and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.